Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today we're comparing two compact models, the Houseclean portable washing machine with an 11-liter capacity and the DXJJ portable washing machine with a 10-liter capacity. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorms, and camping trips. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the Houseclean portable washing machine offers an impressive 11 liters, making it slightly larger than the DXJJ model, which has a capacity of 10 liters. This extra liter can make a difference when washing multiple items at once, especially for small loads like underwear and baby clothes. The larger capacity of the Houseclean allows for more flexibility in laundry loads, making it a better option for those who need to wash more at once. In terms of power, the Houseclean model stands out with a robust 60 watts, providing a more powerful wash compared to the DXJJ's 10 watts. This higher power rating means the Houseclean can handle tougher stains and provide a more thorough cleaning. However, the DXJJ's lower power consumption may appeal to users looking for energy efficiency, though it may compromise on washing performance. It's essential to consider what matters more for your laundry needs. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase decision. The Houseclean portable washing machine is priced at $79, making it the more affordable option compared to the DXJJ model, which retails for $99. While the DXJJ offers fully automatic operation and quieter performance, the Houseclean provides better value for those on a budget without sacrificing essential features. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and the features you prioritize. In conclusion, both the Houseclean and DXJJ portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Houseclean offers a larger capacity and more power at a lower price, while the DXJJ provides a fully automatic experience with quieter operation. Consider your specific needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.